In optical fiber field testing, unpredictable weather is an inevitable challenge.
Meet the G-Link TR700, a high-performance, multifunctional handheld OTDR engineered for rigorous FTTX deployments. Featuring advanced IP65 dust and waterproof technology, the TR700 is built to conquer extreme outdoor conditions. As you can see from the timer on the bottom left, the device endures 5 full minutes of continuous, heavy water exposure with its robust chassis, completely safeguarding the internal electronics. After the intense downpour, we wipe the surface. The TR700 is 7-inch high brightness. LCD incorporates specialized, waterproof touch tracking. Even with wet fingers, the capacitive display responds instantly and smoothly, with absolutely zero lag, stutter, or freezing. Rain or shine, the G-Link TR700 delivers unmatched reliability and uninterrupted field operation. Trust your network testing to G-Link.